Hey there, I'm Lisa and I created 2x Edge staples. 2x Edge staples make it easy to install 2x lumber as edging around flower beds, along paths and sidewalks, around your deck, wherever you need landscape edging. If you've read the 2x Edge origin story, you know that the inspiration behind 2x Edge staples was a tick bite. In a nutshell, my partner and I bought a little piece of property in a big forest. We loved working and playing out in our neck of the woods, but all that work and play landed me with a tick bite. I knew pretty much nothing about ticks except that I didn't want another tick bite, so I did my research and learned that ticks don't like mulch. I started securing mulch in a hurry and putting it down wherever we hung out outside. Now, I'm a Virgo, and so some sort of landscape edging was required to contain all of that mulch, and I had 2x4 lumber hanging about the property. I thought it would look and work really great as edging, but the question was how to install it. And that's where this idea to staple lumber to the ground came about. So I worked up a sketch, I had a fabricator do a prototype run, and I picked up a small box of samples. My first time using the staples, they just worked. All you need to install them is a 16-ounce rubber mallet. They will work with 2x lumber up to a 2x6. 2x Edge launched in 2021 with the original rustic steel staple. It starts out a silver colored raw steel and you'll get a rich rusty patina with time in your garden. Since 2021, I've added powder coated staples that are UV rated and resist corrosion. You can get those in a variety of colors. Need help figuring out how many staples you need for your project or have other questions? Message me. I'm here and I'm happy to help.